Hello and welcome. Kamusta kayong lahat dito mga kapatid ko sa viewers? So ang reading natin ngayon is about your next adventure. Alamin natin ang iyong next adventure from the universe. Nalalapit na po ito. So you can just, ano itong next adventure sa ating mga collective? What is this all about, the next adventure? Next adventure. Okay. I'm hearing like a house hunt. Okay, may house hunting dito sa inyo. Mature woman. Wow, adventure talaga, no? Distant horizon. Meron ito magta-travel sa inyo sa ibang bansa. Pupunta ng China, Europe. I'm hearing like Europe. Ano pa to? Ano na, I'm hearing like siguro sa Middle East or Thai. Yeah. Or meron siguro itong I don't know, boating, boat ride or cruise. Yeah. Or baka meron dito sasakay ng barko. It could be seaman. So that will be your next adventure. Yung iba naman dito, judication. Siguro may kakaharapin ka. Maybe your next adventure. Guys, yung adventure natin, it doesn't have to be like travel na, no? Iba dito baka yung iba dito is about judication. This could be baka magta-travel ka nga, no? Making this being a witness. You might be I don't know, a witness of something. So prepare yourself about this appointment or adventure na may pupuntahan kang jurisdiction, magiging witness, or this could be related din sa I don't know. Guys, be careful lang, ano, baka may I don't know, something about like a chaos. Yeah, I'm sorry ha, medyo this is very specific. Baka may biglang mag-away and mapupunta pa sa gulo, no? Mapupunta pa talaga sa mga demandahan. So, mag-ingat-ingat lang po tayo and watch out, no? Kailangan ipa-remind natin sa ating mga mahal sa buhay na mag-ingat-ingat and watch their action. Lalong-lalo na kung ang magiging kaaway or kalaban is napaka-sensitive, no? Pagpipirahan ka lang, para lang dadaan-daan pa sa mga demandahan, para lang magkakapera, or it could be like a property na, I don't know, you know what I mean? No? Yeah, about this judication. Yeah, baka meron naman sa inyo dito, baka kailangan mo pa mag-travel, no? Para lang pupunta sa isang, I don't know, like paperwork, signing contract. I don't know what kind of contract. Yes, that could be one of your adventure, travel, yung iba dito, no? Na kailangan mo pang asikasuhin itong paperwork. It's like an adventure for you, no? Yeah, adventure about this signing paper, signing contract, or this could be about the divorce paper. Baka kailangan mo talaga makauwi para lang ma-finalize itong divorce. Iba dito sa inyo. Like again, house hunting. Baka meron dito sa inyo bibili ng bahay. That will be your next adventure. New home, new house, or meron ditong I don't know, building a new house or renovation. Yeah. Or meron dito sa inyo ay titira, I don't know, hotel, or makakapunta ka sa isang bahay na, I don't know, yayamanin. It doesn't have to be yayamanin. This is very specific. Maybe your next adventure is to stay in a place na something new sa inyo. May bagong bahay or house or a family members, no? An older woman. Siguro meron itong titira sa isang bahay na siguro ang bahay ng ito is kind of like an older house. Baka bibisita ka sa isang relatives, tiyahin, bahay ng tiyahin. That could be your next adventure. Siguro sa iyong road trip, titira ka sa isang bahay na ang may-ari is, or siguro magre-rent, no? Baka may magre-rent dito ng bahay at ang tenant is the owner, yung may-ari, could be a mature woman, an older woman or matured woman. It doesn't have to be an old woman. Okay? Or fashionista. Okay? Or you could be going to somewhere na napaka-elegante ang bahay or an invitation. Baka may mag-invite sa inyo for your next adventure to sleep over. Yeah. Dahil ang taong ito ay nag-iisa. Siguro wala yung partner niya and that will be your next adventure. A sleepover. Or bibisita sa isang bahay or bibisita sa isang kaibigan dahil mag-isa lang siya sa isang bahay, ano? Yeah. Okay. That could be your next adventure, mga kapatid. So, lagay lang natin dito. Para naman may tayo. Baka may magreklamo tayo dito. Totoo ba yan? Kasi ganito walang baraha. Yeah. I'm also getting like meron ditong your next adventure. Baka mapapauwi ka dahil may magkasakit. Guys, please be careful about your health. No? Baka meron sa inyo dito, biglang mapabiyahin, no, nang wala sa oras dahil hindi magandang pakiramdam or a family member, someone na hindi magandang pakiramdam at kailangan mo siyang dalhin sa isang hospital or ipapa-check up or pa-doktor. Yeah, that will be your next, I don't know why they call it adventure. Siguro may distance. Kung ikaw itong nasa abroad or malayo sa pamilya, baka biglang mapapauwi ka, mapapabiyahe dahil yung nanay, tatay, partner, anak ay hindi magandang pakiramdam at kailangan andyan ka sa tabi nila, no, para samahan sila magpa-doktor, iba dito. And yung iba naman, your next adventure, someone you're going to meet, no? Meron itong meet up, pagkikita. And yeah, maybe this person, I don't know. Maybe this person is going to invite you to their home. Meron kasi invitation Invitation sa bahay nila. Baka ang taong ito ay napaka-naughty ng mensaheng ito or itong energy, no? Maybe this person is going to contact you or this could be your partner or someone. Sabihin lang natin, no? Someone is going to talk to you, approach you, and take you to a hotel. Magstay sa isang hotel at alam na. You know what this person want. It's up to you kung sasama ka sa kanya, no? If this is your partner, maybe it's a celebration na mag-ano kayo, this could be like a wedding anniversary or somehow is anniversary or birthday, something na iimbitahan ka niya dahil meron tong special event sa inyo pareho. So, hotels, ano ba yun? Ano ba yung movie na yun? Transylvania. Hotel Transylvania, no? Yung sa cartoon movie. Anyway, so it's up to you guys kung that will be your next adventure. So, yeah, enjoy kayo mga kapatid sa iyong next adventure at mag-ingat-ingat po kayo at alamin natin yung affirmation for today during this reading, ano. So, mag-ingat-ingat kailangan when you guys do any paperwork, divorce, signing contract, or a witness, you guys make sure na do some study or research. Kailangan alamin ninyo, kailangan may alam kayo sa mga ganitong bagay. Alright? That will be your advice about this matter. Iba naman dito sa inyo, mag-travel, meron tong boat ride, mag-enjoy ka, and it's gonna be like, I think it's good for you guys na magpunta sa mga beach, no, or maglabas-labas pagkahapon. Yeah, kasi seeing the sunset that time, it's a perfect day for you. Yeah, and bon voyage and enjoy the trip and enjoy. I'm hearing like the weekend. Enjoy the weekend with your friends and friendship, best friend or nanay. Yeah, kasi nag-iisa dito Baka maybe it's time for you guys to visit your family member. Lalong-lalo na kung yung nanay ay nag-iisa lang sa isang bayan, no? So, yeah, that will be your next adventure. And about this person na mag-invite sa inyo para dalhin ka sa isang hotel or private place para i-celebrate yung pagmamahalan ninyong pareho. Alright? So, your affirmation for this time, Affirmations, Spirit Angels. Affirmation. You know what? Before mag-end ito, kailan itong next adventure ninyo? Whatever it is. Okay. So we have number 10. So we have 10, number 3, and 5. Okay, again, this could be related sa exes ninyo, no? Ex-partner, signing contract, divorce, witness. You could be the one na maging witness sa, about this person or pangyayari. So, be careful guys and watch out kung may magkaroon kayo ng or kainkwentro, no? Kalaban para hindi mapunta sa isang ganitong pangyayari. It could be days, 5 days from now, 5 weeks, 3 days, or hours. Maybe this person's at the age of 53 or at age of 30, 31. I'm getting like 31, 50, an older person. Like again, this person's going to invite you na mag-imbita sa inyo para samahan siya sa ganitong sitwasyon, an adventure. Para samahan ka. This person is going to ask you, na samahan siya dahil mag-isa lang siya, walang kasama. And and about this person, sorry guys. Meron na mag-invite sa inyo na maging romantic, dalhin ka sa isang lugar para mag-celebrate ng inyong pagmamahalan. Alright? So, advice na tayo. Your affirmation for today. We have here, today I am healthy. Today my mind, my heart, and my soul are one healthy being. So, you guys are healthy. At keep in mind, guys, pay attention sa inyong sarili, sa inyong pangangatawan. Take your medications. Kung may mga medications kayo or iniinom ng mga gamot, mga reseta, i-check nyo po iyon para hindi lalala. I'm sorry. And ano pa? Today, I am accepting. Today, I will open my heart and listen with an open mind to new ideas and opportunities. Yes, you might be receiving a phone call, a work, no? This could be a signing contract, new work related, of the travel. So, today, I am accepting new opportunity. Take that opportunity, guys. This travel, yes, an opportunity for you na tanggapin ito. Huwag niyong baliwalain itong opportunity. Alright? This is a blessings and enjoy this adventure. Alright? So, hanggang dito mga kapatid. And I do hope nag-enjoy ka sa reading na ito. Pasensya na at medyo short reading lang ito. And I'll see you guys in the next reading. Bye!